Before you go ahead and tell me that I'm foolish, there's something that I really have to say. My heart is tired of all the cuts and bruises. There's no remorse in any type of way. It's been long and I believe that I've been thankful for all your good and all the bad you kept from me. And at the end of everything, you're still the same. And yeah, I know it's gonna hurt, but that's okay. Go ahead and go. Give me back my ring. I did everything I could think of that would make you satisfied. Why don't you pack up all your tears and all your sorries? Tell me what you thought this would be. Fairy tales are only made up stories, yeah. But what you wish is only in your dreams. See, I've been thinking about the things you used to say, but then I think about the games you used to play. Now I realize the things were so undone, yeah. But it's impossible to think you're the one. So go ahead and go. But give me back my ring. I did everything I could think of that would make you satisfied. Way you talking like way you feel me talking. All the things you do them no good for me focus. Got me calling on your eyelids and you're broken. Yeah, you're broken. Everything now it's over. I can tell you're really upset, but you'll be fine. Even if the pain don't set, just give it time. Baby, I'm just tired of being lonely. So baby, go before the morning. Go ahead and go. But bring me back my ring. Yeah, yeah. I did everything I think of, baby, that would make you satisfied.